Hey, what's going on, you guys? In this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can make money by creating an online course. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining how you can start to earn money by creating and selling your own online course. Now, this video is going to be helpful for those of you who are looking to start earning a passive income, and if you have a specific skill that you can teach to somebody. Now, the reason why you can start to earn a passive income by creating an online course is because you just have to create that course one time, and there's no limit to how many people can enroll into your course. So if you have a specific skill and you know people would be willing to pay money to learn that skill, then you should create an online course and monetize that skill. Maybe you know how to play the piano or create a website. Maybe you mastered SEO. Maybe you know how to do graphic design, how to fly a drone, edit videos, take professional photographs, or any other skill that would be useful to somebody. If you can effectively teach somebody a new skill, then go for it. Why not create your own online course? Now, if you're wondering how to create an online course, the most popular method that people use is through video. You can record a series of videos where you're showing somebody how to do something step by step, and they just watch your course each video at a time. Let's say, for example, your online course that you created is showing somebody the basics on how to play the piano. Your first video might be showing them what each key is. The second video might be showing them how to read musical notes, and so on and so forth. So once you have your online course recorded, you're probably wondering, like, what do you do next? Well, you have to first pick a platform where you're going to host your online course. You can host your online course on your own website, but most people aren't that tech savvy. So what I would recommend is going with a platform like Teachable, or my second option would be Udemy. Now, why do you need to pick a platform to host your online course? The reason why is because they handle the payment options, so you don't have to worry about that. Now, if you're going with Udemy, the cool part about that is that they have their own active student community. So you don't have to worry about driving as much traffic to your online course, because most likely the people who are active online students on that platform, they're going to notice your online course if they're interested in that topic. On the other hand, Teachable does not have an active community when it comes to students. So that means you're going to have to actively be promoting your course on your social media, maybe creating content like YouTube videos, maybe even create a blog where you're going to be promoting your course through there. Now, when it comes to both of these platforms, they both have their pros and their cons. As I mentioned, Udemy, they have their own active student community. Teachable doesn't. Now, when it comes to getting paid through these platforms, if you're using Udemy, they take a good amount of revenue every time somebody enrolls into your online course. They take about 50% of what you're charging for your course, unless you're promoting your online course yourself through a specific link. And Teachable charges a transaction fee depending on the monthly plan that you choose. If you're not going to be using the paid monthly plan that Teachable has, they charge $1 and 10% transaction fee anytime somebody enrolls into your course. Now, if you don't want to be paying that much when it comes to transaction fees every time somebody enrolls, you can just choose to go with a monthly plan with Teachable. So let me talk about a few tips when it comes to selling your online course. So why should somebody enroll into your course? If you're going to be promoting your online course, people want to know about the benefits or the outcome that they're going to get when they go through your course. They don't really care about the features as much. So just to give you an example, if you're promoting your online course where you're showing somebody the basics on how to play the piano, and you're talking about in your course you're just going to show them what every key is and the kind of tone that that key makes, just so they can play some music here and there, you might have a tough time getting people to enroll into your course. But if you're promoting your online course in a way where you're going to be showing somebody that they can play the symphonies of Beethoven, of Mozart, and they can recreate classical music in their own living room, that sounds a lot more appealing than the other method. Now, you might be thinking, why would somebody enroll into your course if they can just find that same information for free on the internet? Now, the simple answer is convenience. Now, let's say, for example, if somebody's interested in learning how to take professional looking photographs with a DSLR camera, they're going to spend hours and hours watching videos on YouTube that might not even be relevant to what they're specifically trying to learn. So, if you create an online course, you're basically bundling up all the information that they're going to need in one course. So if you're teaching somebody specifically what they're trying to learn, you have a higher chance of getting them to enroll into your course rather than them watching countless hours on YouTube just trying to figure out what they're trying to learn. Now, as I mentioned earlier, another way to get people to enroll into your course is by just creating content around your course. You can be delivering value, let's say creating YouTube videos where you're showing somebody something that's related to your course, and you can give them the option to go further into learning more about it by just promoting your course to them. Let's say, for example, if you have a YouTube channel where you're showing somebody maybe how to design a t-shirt or maybe where to find blanks for their t-shirts, you can do that in your YouTube videos, but you can have an online course where you're showing somebody step by step on how to start, grow, and build up their own clothing brand. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you have a certain skill that you know people would be willing to pay money for, why not monetize it? So I hope you guys got some value from this video. And if you did, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and let me know down in the comments below what you guys thought about this method. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making money online, check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.